We've been using Bobcat machines for nearly 25 years. The new Air Effects deck, I can't say enough about it. It's a really clean, precise cut. The spread is really nice. You're not going over everything like you would on some of the older machines. It's saving me money. It's really nice to know that you can go back to your dealer and that it's going to be taken care of. When we have a new person come in, I can put them on that machine and feel confident that they're going to be able to do the job and do it right. We depend on those machines working day in and day out. You get a 6-year warranty, 2,750 hours. I don't think there's another company out there that touches that. If you get a good cut, then the neighbor's going to come out and they're going to see that person has a really nice cut. They're going to want you to cut their grass, and the neighbor after that is going to want their grass cut. My business is growing with Bobcat.